In this video, I'm going to show you 5 proven ways to start making 1,000 or more on the internet. My goal with this channel is to show you various ways you can start making online, to show you how to start and grow an online business the right way. Making money online don't need to be that difficult. So on this channel, I'm going to share with you various strategies on how to make money, how you can save money and build a life of financial freedom. So if making money is something you want to look into, and if you want to know how to start and grow an online business in detail, make sure to check out the link in the first link in the description below, which is a 4-day blueprint on how to build an online business the right way. This is a course taught by Frank Archel, and I've never seen any course giving away this much value for free, because it won't ask you to buy like $1,000 course at the end of the training or at any point in the training. This course is completely free and you have nothing to lose at all. So just hit the first link in the description below, sign up for the course with your name and email address to gain access to the first video. Then the rest of the video will come in within the next few days. So let's get started with today's video. I'm going to share with you 5 proven ways to start making about $1,000 or more on the internet. I want to share with you passive income ideas to start generating cash online. But there is a misconception about passive income. Most times when we think passive income, we think we just have to sit down, plug in a switch and start generating passive income online, either online or offline. But passive income requires work upfront. It's called passive because you put in the work upfront and later you reap the reward down the road. In passive income, you are putting in something upfront. You either put in your work, you either put in time, or you either put in money upfront to reap the benefit down the road. So this is a misconception we want to clear about before we move on to the training. Passive income is you are investing your time or your money upfront to get the reward down the road. It's different from a 9 to 5 job, because in passive income, even though you are starting small, you are putting in an investment that you know that at the end of the day it's going to mature and it's going to give you residual income down the road. So this is a misconception I see mostly online or offline, and it's something we need to change our orientation about. And with that on the way, let's start with passive income idea number 1. It's a site called Filtro.com. Patreon is a website that allows patrons to basically support creators. Filtro provides monthly donations to support your creative work. So it's basically a website that supports creators. And in Filtro, a creator can be anyone, ranging from a podcaster, musicians, YouTuber, writer, or a blogger. It's basically set up where Patreon can set a monthly subscription to start payment at the rate that you want to get paid. It's an idea. It's a great idea for people that are already creating content. So Patreon is a great idea if you are already producing content online. It allows you to monetize your content. It's a great idea for people that are already creating content online and to get people to support them to make more content. So the great thing about Patreon.com is that you actually get paid. You actually get to remain in full control of your content, and all the Patreon money that you generate, you have to keep about 90% of the total money you get over Patreon, while 5% goes to Patreon.com and the remaining 5% is used as a transaction fee. So Patreon is a website that supports creators. It's one of the ways you can start making money on it. It's one of the ways you can generate passive income, because Patreon allows you to monetize your creativity, your creative works, and it's an option that gives you the ability to it encourages you to start producing content because you get paid for the content you produce on the internet. Now, the second passive income idea we are going to look at is Amazon Associates. Now, in Amazon Associates, you become an associate of Amazon to promote Amazon's product. Basically, you get a link from Amazon and you share your link on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. And when people click on your link and purchase the product you are promoting on Amazon, you get paid a percentage of the sales. You can promote your content on Amazon. You can promote your Amazon link through reviews. You either create a review where you do product reviews based on that product reviews promoting this product. Then you promote this product on YouTube videos. Then people click on the link and buy. People watch your product reviews and end up buying from your link. So you either you promote your product, your Amazon product, your link, you get a link from Amazon to promote their product. And when you can do this by doing product reviews on YouTube, where you put in your link to promote this product while giving a detailed review about this product. When someone goes through your review video and buy the product using the link you gave, Amazon gives you commission on this product. So you also get a commission from other purchases within 24 hours. This is another feature, another good benefit of Amazon, that even though since you've referred a customer to Amazon with your affiliate link, for every other product they purchase on Amazon network within the first 24 hours, you also earn a percentage of those commissions which are credited to you. This is another way to get passive income from Amazon. And even if they don't buy anything in the first 24 hours or using the link, if they put something into their shopping cart, they have 90 days to purchase that from their shopping cart, and you get paid for that. So this is kind of a cocky sticky. When they visit your link and we're able to add anything to their shopping cart within 90 days, if they're able to check out within 90 days, you also get paid for that same sales. So this is a long-term duration and something that you can help you on the long run. Now, passive income number 3 is YouTube ad. YouTube ad revenue. You see, in passive income, you are either putting in something upfront, you are either putting in money or time upfront to reap the reward down the road. So with YouTube ad revenue, you make money from ads that are shown up on your video. So you took the time to create interesting videos that engage your audience, and you publish these videos on YouTube. YouTube monetizes your video by showing ad either at the beginning of the video or at the end. So with YouTube app, you make money from these ads that are showing on your videos either at the beginning or the end. You can apply for the YouTube ad monetization where you get at least about 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel and a total watch time of about 4,000 watch time on your channel. So with YouTube channel, it's a free way to generate passive income, but you are investing your time to create amazing videos that your viewers will love. And when you create these videos, YouTube monetizes your videos by showing various ads that are relevant to your customers or that are relevant to your audience, and you make money from these ways. Passive income idea number 3 is dividend payment. Dividends are paid out by a company when you buy their stock. So basically, the company pays you dividend on their stock for owning a part of their company. It's a way to encourage you for being an investor in their company. In this particular concept, the idea is to have enough portfolio of stocks that you are collecting passive income from its dividends. Along from collecting dividends, you can also reap the benefit of appreciation in the stock. So if your stock goes up and at one point in time you want to sell it off, you are therefore collecting dividend on these stocks, and you are collecting the capital gain or appreciation that has taken place from the stock. That is passive income number 4. Now the fifth way you can make money online, or the fifth passive income idea I want to share with you, is to teach an online course. Though it does require a lot of work upfront, but once you make it available, There is just a bit of work afterward other than marketing it in order to generate the money you need from it. So Udemy.com is a platform, is a popular course site. There's thousands and thousands of categories on Udemy, ranging from business to IT to office to personal development, marketing, lifestyle, photography, and art. So there's thousands of categories on Udemy, and these are different courses, different categories of courses you can offer to your audience. So Udemy boasts of over 21 million students worldwide, and these students uses Udemy on a daily basis. So you have a very large network of people that are interested in taking your course. So you can either create courses on udemy.com or teachable.com, and these courses on udemy.com, your course get viewed by people interested in the categories you want to offer these courses to, and when they take this course, you are making money from, you are making passive income from the thousands of students on Udemy that goes through these courses on a daily basis. So these are 5 ways to generate passive income with little or no experience, with little or no effort on your own side. So if you like this video, please make sure to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and check out this free training on how to make on this free training that teaches you how to start an online business the right way. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.